Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ervizon Fariz. My student ID number is 2311522025. I'm from Faculty of Technology Information, Department Information System. So in this video, I will like to talk about the midterm tasks from English college studying uh, about the program that I make last semester. So the first is scenario program. So I make a burger shop program. The store name is uh, uh, John's Burger. So what the background I make this because I want to make a burger shop in case of uh, collect the dasar pengiriman tas. So this shop is uh, for the people want to open a burger shop. The operational hour is from 11 to 9 p.m. And the scenario is 11 a.m. The cashier open the shop and start the program and then input the model. The cashier also input the stock, and then if there is a customer, the cashier input their name and the order, and then automatically the food stock will be decreased, and then if there are mistake from the cashier, they uh, cancel the order and the stock will be uh, back again. After order and pay their food or their order, the customer names uh, will be added to the queue list, and then they need to wait. After 9 p.m., the cashier close the store and then press the close button, and then automatically it will be open to the reputation, and the cashier can uh, uh, count how much the shop get the profit. The product is the standard package, which is include common burger, French fries, and cola. And then the second package is smoke package. The customer get smoked beef burger, French fries, and cola. And then package burger, which is the customer will get egg burger with French fries and Coca-Cola and cola. And then the last one is soda package, which is the customer will get uh, complete burger with all the toppings, like smoked beef and egg, and then French fries, and then Coke for the ingredients. So in this ingredients is like tomato, minced beef, onion, uh, lettuce, uh, bread, butter, spicy sauce, mayonnaise, smoked beef, egg, potato, Coke, uh, oil, cheese, salt, and then pepper box and pepper cup. For the stock is like tomato, 1 kilogram for 10,000 rupiah, minced beef, 5 kilogram for 425,000 rupiah, minced eh, sorry, I mean onion, 1 kilogram for 9,000, lettuce 1 kilogram for 10,000, bread for 40 pieces 160,000 rupiah, butter 1 kilogram to 20,000 rupiah, spicy sauce 1 liter 45,000 rupiah, mayonnaise 1 liter 15,000, smoked beef 1.5 kilogram for 90,000 rupiah, egg 20 egg for 40,000, French fries for 10 kilogram is 100,000, a Coke for 15 liter is 19,000, oil 2 liter for 80,000, cheese 40 pieces 40,000, salt 2 kilogram 12,000 rupiah, a pepper box 40 pieces for 400, and paper cup 40 pieces for 400, no, 4,000 I mean. Uh, so that's all for the scenario, and we move next to the program. So this is the UI of the program that I make. So in this there is for you input the stock, and then this is for the price of the stock, and then you can pay the stock, and this is that you can input the model, the capital, sorry, the venture capital, and then this is the history of the capital, and then this is the total of your capital. This is for the cashier input the name of the customer. There, this is for you to input the order, and this is the total that customer will pay the money. This is the this is the total, this is the customer money, and this is the change of the customer money, and this is the OK button for you to process the order. This is the button to make uh, receipt, and this is the cancel button, and this is for the queue list, and this is for the history of the customer that paid, and also this is for searching the customer. So let's run the form first. So when you run the program, this is what the UI will happen. You cannot press all of these button, but you must input the capital. Like this is, and there is also the minimum of capital you can input. Like if you input to low capital, and there is will be a notification like your capital is too low, and you need to enter again the capital. Like I will enter, and there is low, so I will enter again, and then this low, and there you are. If you have reached the minimum of the capital, you will get a notification like your capital is enough. And if your capital is enough, you can input the ingredients that you can buy. So like you can custom the ingredients, like I want to buy this 100 gram, 200 gram. Yeah, you can custom all of these ingredients for what do you want. But if you want to make it faster, you can press the button auto and then input. So the program will you know will make the total of your ingredients cost, and then press the button pay, and there you go. Your total of the ingredients cost will be sorry, your your capital will be decreased from the start. Like you will pay for the ingredients from your capital. And then this is your new capital, your total new capital after you pay all the ingredients. After you pay all of the ingredients, uh, uh, after you pay all the ingredients, you can see this all of the ingredients will be added automatically to this list like egg, uh, and anything else. So uh, and this is when you can start to uh, receive an order. Like for the first one, like this. So let's say your customer is appeared and place order. First, you need to input their name, like put Ton, and then you press the button name, and then uh, this box you can add the what the customer order, like you will order packet standard one, and press the button order, and then the total of the customer payment is 38,000 rupiah. And then you input the customer money like 3K. Then you press the change button, and there is the customer change money. And then if you click OK, it will be process the order, and then the customer name will be add to the queue button, add the queue list, and then add to the this one, add to the history table, and then if you click the receipt button, print the receipt, and the customer get the receipt like this, and customer blah 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 blah. And then after you click OK, you can order again to the customer. Like this one, I will order another customer like. And after you get and after the customer name appears to the queue list, if the customer have get their menu, we can remove them from the queue, like to checklist the box, and then press the button, and then the customer will be removed from the queue, and the new customer can get into the queue list. And what if there is more than 4 customer? I will show you. And like this one. the G Herman don't appears to the queue list because the queue list is full. So after the like let's say the one customer in Iraq got their order, we can check the box and then push this button, and then automatically the customer will be up, like the Herman will be up to the list. And then in this button, you can search about the customer history, search for the customer data. Like this one, I will search for income, search, and then you will get the data is found. And there is the Anton guard. And then if you type retry, you can search another customer. And if there is a customer like there isn't the data customer like this one, it will, and you can also retry and search for the other customer and you got the other customer. And for this one, you can to shorting to shorting the customer history, like from the uh up to down, from the total spending like this one. And then after you and what if the ingredients is not enough to make an order, like this one I will show the example. So it will show notification that the cookie mix is not enough to make the food, and then all you need is to and also if the customer money is not enough to pay the order, they will notification like this that says your money is not enough. And also if the stock is not enough like this, yeah, the stock is not enough. And after the stock is not enough, you can input again the stock, like the edit column will be open again and you can input the stock again. And then you can input all the stock. After you input stock and pay the stock, it will add to the ingredients again, and the input button will be disabled. After the shop is closed, the cashier can press the close the shop, And then it is a recap about your payment. Like this one, the recap of the tomato stock, blah blah blah, and also the what you say cost for the opening, like water, gas, yeah, uh employee fee, and electrical and electric payment. So the total is 195,000, and this is the uh your capital. This is uh capital left. This is uh your income. This is your outcome, and this is your profit. And to count the profit, you need to press the count profit button, and that is it. And that is your profit. So that's all for my uh program, and we need to find the syntax. So this is all the syntax that I use for the global declaration. Yeah, we need for the form, and then this is all for the syntax. And first is for the form for the like this one. So at the first, I enable all the button except the capital button because the store is closed. And after you can pay the capital button, pay the pay for the capital, the all of the button is this is for the input button codings. You can see all the codings in here, all the code in here. This one, and then for here like input. So I use integer, yeah, input the model, input the capital, then for the total, and then if the capital is lower than 10 million rupiah, there will be notification like your capital is not enough. And after it, and for the else, if the capital reaches the target, it will show the capital is enough. After after you after the capital is enough, the button for the you input the ingredients will be enabled. And this is the calling for the auto is for the automatic you can get you can automatically uh fill the how much ingredients do you want to buy. And it's for the payment, it's for the input button code that uh you can show if you not input the ingredients, how much ingredients do you want, it will be show message that you need to import the stock first. And this for the code. And after you add all of the ingredients, the button for the payment is will be enabled, and for the input button is disabled. And this is for the enabled for the payment button, pay button. All of this code, yeah, it will be automatically count your ingredients cost like this one, and after and will show in this box. After the ingredients is count, the button for the and also the ingredients will be decrease the capital. So your capital will be and you need to pay the ingredients with your capital. And if your capital is not enough to pay the ingredients, there will be show notification like, sorry, your capital is not enough, and you need to input more capital. After you input the ingredients, it will the button for the name of the customer, it will be enabled, and this is the code. After you input the name of the customer, the button for you add the customer order is will be open. This just been edit. This will be enabled. After that, you push the order button. All of the and automatically it will be count the total of the customer order, and for what they need and how much they need to pay, and it will be disable the chest pin. And after that it will show after that it will be enabled the button uh for the money change for the customer, and disable the order button. This is the code for the money change for the customer change. If the customer money is not enough to pay the ingredients, it will show notification like your money is not enough. After that, the button for the process or OK will be enabled, and button will be disabled. And then for the OK, if you press the OK button, it will automatically add the customer name to the queue and to the history table, and also it will be decrease the ingredients because you process the customer order. And then you can also push the print the receipt to print the receipt for the customer. Like this one, I use like this item box and customer name, and also like this one. And this the button for the cancel. If the cashier or wrong input the customer order, they can click the button cancel, and it will be return all of the ingredients that they use for make this. And next we move to the queue list. So this button that for the make the queue for the customer. If the customer finish their order, the name will be displayed for the queue and used for the code. Next up, move to the search button, like this one. So in this, you can search for the customer name, customer order, and the historical of their order. Move to the sorting button, and this one ascending and descending the order from the total payment. And we move to the next form. Yeah, and then this is the code for the close the stop. If you click this button, all of the button in this form will be disabled, and it will show you to the next form, which is the for the recap, and it will be recap all of the store income, outcome, or anything else. And then this is for the count the profit, like the total income minus the total expenditure or the spend of your spend, and after that the income is like uh income plus income, and then it will show in this box. So that's, I think that's all for my code video. Sorry for the mistakes. uh that's for all. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.